The following motorcycle recall report is filed with the NHTSA report receipt date October 12, 2017. NHTSA Campaign Number 17V647000. Components: engine, cooling, brakes, hydraulic. Potential number of units affected 26,182. Manufacturer: Polaris Industries, Inc. The recall: Polaris Industries, Inc. Polaris is recalling certain 20,102,017 Victory cross-country Tour, Crossroads, Magnum, and Hardball motorcycles. If the engine misfires, continued riding may result in heat from the catalytic converter melting the rear brake line and nearby wiring. What could happen? A melted rear brake line can reduce braking performance, increasing the risk of a crash. The fix: Polaris will notify owners, and dealers will reroute the brake line away from the exhaust catalyst, free of charge. The recall is expected to begin in November 2017. Owners may contact Polaris customer service at 18,777,377,172. Polaris number for this recall is V1702. More recall information: owners may also contact the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration Vehicle Safety Hotline at 18,883,274,236 TTY 18,004,249,153, or go to safercar.gov. Click here for more recall news.